Hello, and welcome to Wrike. We all know this pain. Social media and web teams receive great creative assets, but they almost never come with the SEO metadata they need, things like keywords and more. That gap creates a constant, frustrating back and forth between creative and development teams, just to nail down the basics. To solve this, we've built a Wrike AI agent called the SEO Meta Trigger. It completely automates the handoff between content creation and getting that content web ready. Let's take a quick look under the hood to see exactly how it works. The setup is remarkably simple. We've configured the agent to fire automatically whenever a specific custom field changes. When that happens, the AI reads the copy in the task description and takes 3 key actions. It generates a meta description, identifies target keywords, and updates the agent action custom field to confirm it's finished. Let's watch it in action. Here we have a task for sustainable fashion video social copy. When we open it, you'll see some raw creative copy and a few execution notes in the description. But over in the table, the columns for meta description and keywords are completely empty. Normally, someone on the team would have to pull this together and write it all by hand. Instead, watch what happens when we switch the agent action field to generate description. The AI agent gets straight to work. It scans the raw copy, extracts the core themes, and transforms them into high-value metadata. And just like that, we have a fully optimized suggested meta description and a clean, comma-separated list of keywords ready to drop straight into your content management system or social scheduling platform. Making sure every asset your development or publishing team touches is completely web-ready from day one, saving hours of manual work. Thank you.